Hello! This is my redhead friend Felix. Did I say redhead? I mean good. And because I'm a good friend too, I'm gonna do him a huge favor. Hey Felix! You know how you're not good at chess?
No.
No, you are not good at chess.
I am.
You're not. I think I'll need you to help getting better at chess.
There's another video and
Yeah.
I'm doing something for the other video.
Yeah.
I thought you were showing something with the big... Then tell me
Alright,
before.
thanks. Awesome. Everything is going as planned. So there's this guy, Pavlov. Wait. Okay, so there was this guy. He died 87 years ago. Anyways, he did something with animals getting treated differently on different behaviors. So they got treated positively for doing this one thing and negatively because of the other thing. I really don't know. I'm not paying attention in school. Means that this treatment could possibly work on humans too. And I think this is how I'll treat my friend. Yep, I'll treat him like a dog. Like a fucking dog. Every time he makes a mistake or a blunder, he gets shocked. So I'll need to use a TENS unit. A TENS unit sends out electricity to contract your muscles. Wait, actually, let me show you. It's really tingly. Oh god, fuck. Oh my god, this hurts so much more when you're sober. But of course I won't pitch that little penis tip looking like every time he blunders. No, of course not. We'll use some code. This won't work with human players. But luckily chess.com has bots that you can play against with. And you can turn on real life game analysis. So with that and a little bit of screen reading, we can make it work. I decided that he'll get punished when he has a missed win, blunder or mistake. An excellent, best, great and even brilliant move will have the positive treatment, which I'll come back later. It's hardware time. Stay with me. I'm gonna do this quick. Raspberry Pi, Tensor and relay cable and we're done. And it looks like a fucking bomb. Can I make something one time without looking like a bomb or a sex toy? God. Explanation time, baby! Let's start with the basics. Meanwhile chess.com is open, the screen gets red. On the side you can obviously see the game analysis. It checks the whole time. If it sees a negative reaction, it will send out a change of an API. Pretty much like the wireless door. But what if you get the same evaluation like last time? Uh-oh. Double blunder, what will you do? Well, it doesn't only check if it's a blunder, mistake or whatever, it will also check all the info around. So also the win probability on the side and the notation. The Raspberry Pi then reads that it's true and will open the circuit of the relay to shock. Alright guys, I have everything hooked up and now I can just try it out. Okay Google, stop. No, why is it turning on my TV? No, why? I'm really scared. Okay, fuck. Oh, it works. Okay, I'll try it one more time. It doesn't hurt that much, but I can definitely make it hurt much more. Now I just need to try it on Felix. Hello. Hi Felix, hello, come on in. We first had a control game. Me and Felix played a game of chess just so I could see how good or bad he was. And he was playing pretty fine. And right before I was checkmating him, he actually had a mate in 1-2. But unfortunately he didn't saw it and I honestly didn't saw it either. After that, we had our first taser game. Felix, I'll need you to invite into a Discord server. Oh yeah, how could I forget that? The treatment. Now, what would be an awesome treatment for him? Porn. Valorant porn. Because he loves Valorant so much.
Round 1. Fight!
I just try to play your best and you won't get shocked.
How was that a mistake? How?
Just try your best, man. Try your best. Yes, that's a fork! Good job, Felix! Now you can just take the rook.
I know.
You're doing so great. You see how you're improving?
It's a missed win. What the?
Oh no!
Is that
you could have
supposed to mean?
You could have won there.
No, yeah, you're right. I gotta take it to the Eschweite. Why?
No, it's made in one.
Why? What
job,
the
Felix.
hell?
You did a
Oh
great
my
job.
goodness. No, it's not. It's not.
Good job, Felix.
Oh.
Round 2. Fight!
Is this fine? Is
I
this okay?
honestly don't know.
Why did did it go so late? Why did it go on so late? Die.
No, because
Why is it so? Why does it?
you lost your bishop, Felix. Your bishop was open and on the plate. He's improving. I would do the same thing, Felix.
Just help me. Just help me.
Oh,
I don't want to. Why? What?
Oh my god. Oh, it couldn't see the blunder, and now you just reopened it, and now it saw the blunder again.
What?
You can threaten the queen. Think how you could threaten the queen right now in one move. With a pawn. That's right. Oh fuck.
Fuck you! I'm not listening to anything you fucking say
But
anymore.
you can take the queen
You
now. You can en passant him, Felix. Yeah, now you can take it. Because it's an en passant.
What?
2 squares.
But I can go there.
Yeah.
How?
Because it's the rarest move you could do in chess.
What?
It-
I didn't know that
only the
rule,
next
honestly.
move.
I did not know that
But
rule.
see, you're learning.
No. Can you bring me some water in my bottle? My black bottle? Thank you. Okay guys, and now please help me. I'm being forced to do this, please. This is the worst. Just look at it. I'm going to do a blunder and then I'm going to scream. What? That doesn't make any sense. He could have just killed me right there. This is like literally the worst thing I have done in a long time. But it's good. It's good for pain tolerance. Why? Where? Where is it a missed win? I don't understand. God, I'm just gonna put this here, okay? This cannot be, okay.
You're like really close to a checkmate.
No, no, no! I
You're
wanna kill
improving.
myself, please.
This is made in one, Felix. Promote the pawn. It's a discovered check.
Wait, that's...
Felix, you did so great. You did so great. You're improving so much, Felix.
Final round. Fight.
I'm always starting to put the arm like this because then it doesn't hurt so bad. I'm going to try to leave it straight now. Okay. Well, it doesn't hurt more, but it definitely scares you more. Okay, wait. I'm just going to do a blunder now. Can I do this? No, it's stupid. Is it stupid? It's stupid. Is it stupid?
I don't know, Felix.
And it's checkmate, Felix. It's fine. You did such a great job.
Honestly, after the last round, I kind of felt bad for him. Anyways, last game against me where I absolutely shredded him.
You played really well, and you've played better than last. No, you definitely played. No, I'm not even kidding.
In conclusion, Felix improved. By 50. If you would like to support me, you can like, subscribe, and if you're one of them big money havers, you can support me on buymeacoffee.com/AnanasHerz. That's buymeacoffee.com/AnanasHerz in the description. You know, all the money goes into making new YouTube videos and definitely not crack. If you have any ideas what I should do, what I should make, please no sex toy, please comment down below or message me somewhere if you can find my address. Maybe come to me home and then maybe pitch me a good idea, like on Shark Tank. And I don't want to end the video. Okay, please help me hit 200 subscribers, please!